Have you been involved in a trucking crash here in Florida? If so, then this video is for you. Trucking cases and car accident cases are not the same because trucking cases are so much more involved. Oftentimes, you're not dealing with just state law, you're dealing with federal law. Was a truck coming and delivering from another state? We could be talking about a federal case with different laws involved that are applicable to the case. Oftentimes with a trucking case, you're dealing with not just the driver of the truck or the owner of the truck. You're also dealing with the cargo, the trailer, who owns the trailer, who put the cargo in the trailer. Did they do that appropriately? Were the trucks serviced correctly? We have to pull the black box after a crash to see if the driver had been driving for too long. Did they try to brake? Did they do all the things that they're supposed to do according to federal law when it comes to having the right amount of sleep? All of these things that you don't really see in a car accident case, you see that in a trucking case, and there's usually a lot more insurance and more attorneys involved